Good morning, myself Priyesh Jha, and I am chemistry faculty of Taksila Model Senior Secondary School, Faridabad. Today I am going to start a lecture for class 10th. In the previous class we have discussed the topic properties of acid, and in this class we will discuss uh, what is the common in all acids, what are strong acids, what are weak acids, what are the usage of mineral acids like H2SO4, HCl and nitric acids. The first topic of today is what do all acid have in common. First topic of today is what do all acids have in common. So acids are generally those substances which are solid test, which convert blue litmus into red, and apart from this, one common thing for acid is acid contain hydrogen ions, and when these acids dissolve in water they produce hydrogen ions. So the common thing for acid is they produce generally hydrogen ions when they dissolve in water. For example, acids like HCl, when dissolved in water they produce hydrogen ions plus chloride ions. This is hydrochloric acids, and they produce hydrogen ion and chloride ions. Another example, H2SO4, that is sulfuric acids, when it is dissolved in water they produce 2 moles of hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. Another example is nitric acid, having chemical formula HNO3, when dissolved in water they produce hydrogen ions and nitrate ions. So among these acids the common thing is produce generally हाइड्रोजन आयंस. इन सब में ये देखने को मिल रहा है कि जितने भी एसिड्स हैं उन सब में क्या जनरेट हो रहा है, हाइड्रोजन आयंस. सो द वन कॉमन थिंग फॉर एसिड इज दे प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन आयंस when dissolved in water. Here the hydrogen ion generate does not exist single, they react with water to produce hydronium ions. For example, when HCl dissolve in water they produce hydrogen ions and chloride ions, and these hydrogen ions react with water to produce H3O positive ions, which is generally known as hydronium ions. This molecule is known as hydronium ions. So when hydrogen react with water they form hydronium ions, and hydrogen does not exist single, they generally exist in the form of hydronium ions. समझ में आ गया? जो भी एसिड होता है उनमें कॉमन कौन सा होता है, हाइड्रोजन आयंस, और वो हाइड्रोजन आयंस कॉमन सिंगल एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता है, वो जनरली किससे रिएक्शन करता है, वाटर से, और वाटर से रिएक्शन करने के बाद क्या बनाता है, हाइड्रोनियम आयन. तो यहाँ से ये पता चल रहा है कि जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं वो जनरली क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, हाइड्रोजन आयंस. अनदर थिंग इज दैट all molecules containing hydrogen does not acidic in nature because they does not dissociates into hydrogen ions. For example, glucose molecules having chemical formula C6H12O6. These molecules also contain hydrogen ions, but it is not acidic in nature because when it dissolve in water does not produce hydrogens ion. Another example like acids, sorry, alcohol, when it is also dissolved in water, it also does not generate hydrogen ion. So these molecules are not acidic in nature because it cannot generate hydrogen ions in water. तो जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं बिहेव्स लाइक एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स बिकॉज दे जनरेट आयंस. एन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड अल्कोहल डज नॉट प्रोड्यूस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज देयर इज नो आयंस. ओके, another topic is acid do not show acidic behavior in absence of water. In absence of water, acid do not show acidic behavior in absence of water because in absence of water there is no production of generation of hydrogen ions. So acid only behaves as an acidic character in water. In absence of water they do not behaves like an acids क्योंकि इन absence of water वहां पे हाइड्रोजन आयंस प्रोड्यूस होने के चांस ही नहीं होते हैं और वो क्या होगा, एसिड की तरह बिहेव नहीं करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ड्राई HCl, dry HCl do not behaves like an acids and it cannot turn blue litmus into red because there is no production of hydrogen ions. But when HCl gas dissolve in wetted litmus paper, they generally convert blue litmus into red because in wetted solution there is a production of hydrogen ions and this hydrogen ions convert blue litmus into red because in this case HCl behaves as a acids. So यहां से ये पता चल रहा है कि कोई भी एसिड्स बिहेव तभी करेंगे जब क्या होगा, कौन सा कंडीशन होगा, वाटर एज ए सॉल्वेंट होगा. इन विदाउट सॉल्वेंट वाटर कोई भी एसिड की तरह बिहेव्स नहीं करेंगे. अनदर टॉपिक is strong acids. So strong acids are those acids which generally completely ionized into hydrogen ions or which are generally ionized. उन सारे एसिड्स को क्या बोलते हैं हम, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. इसके अंदर क्या होता है, HCl एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड्स है which convert completely into hydrogen ions plus chloride ions. Another example is H2SO4. It also converted into hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. Another example is nitric acid. It is also behaves like an strong acids. It converted into hydrogen ions plus nitric ions. So strong acids are those acids which completely ionized or which completely dissociates. यहाँ पे जो सिंगल एरो लाइन्स है ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है completion of the reaction which it indicates all HCl converted into H positive and Cl negative. Another one is weak acid. Weak acids. So weak acids are those acids which generally partially ionized or partially dissociated. Example HCl, ये क्या हमारा एसिडिक एसिड्स है. व्हेन डिसोसिएट्स इनटू वाटर, यहाँ पे डबल एरो का मतलब ही क्या होता है, पार्शली आयनाइज्ड. इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्लस H plus ions. It is known as acetate ions. So acetic acid is weak acids. Acetic acid generally partially ionized in water. And the last topic of today is usage of mineral acids. Usage of minerals acids. Mineral acids are those acids which are generally obtained from minerals of the earth, and one mineral acid is sulfuric acids, H2SO4. H2SO4 generally used in the production of fertilizer, in for making battery, in which used in car, in home, or in automobiles, in the production of paints, dye, etc. Another one is nitric acid. Nitric acid is HNO3. So nitric acid generally used in the preparation of also fertilizer and in the preparation of explosives like TNT. TNT का नाम सुना होगा, कहीं पे न्यूज आती है ना कि यहाँ ब्लास्ट हुआ तो उसमें इतने TNT थे. तो TNT का फुल फॉर्म होता है ट्राई नाइट्रोटोलिन. टोलिन क्या होता है? जनरली जब बेंजीन के ऊपर CH3 है उसको टोलिन बोलते हैं. ट्राई मतलब 3, नाइट्रो मतलब NO2 ग्रुप. तो ये जनरल स्ट्रक्चर किसका है? TNT. और TNT का यूज कहाँ पे करते हैं? एक्सप्लोजिव बनाने में. तो ये यूजेज हैं. सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कहाँ पे यूज होता है? बैटरी बनाने में, फर्टिलाइजर बनाने में, डाई बनाने में. HNO3 कहाँ पे यूज होता है? फर्टिलाइजर इंडस्ट्री में, और एक्सप्लोजिव लाइक इन द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ TNT. So these are the topics of acids. Next topic is base, but we will discuss in the next class. And for today, thank you.